Hi everyone, what's up? Hope everyone is doing great. And the time is 3:30 right now, and we are going to Gokarna, as you might have already seen in the title. So we are going from Hyderabad to Gokarna, and we are planning to complete this trip non-stop. That means we will not be stopping anywhere. Obviously थोड़ा सा breaks लेंगे, एक दो breaks तो बनेगा, but we are trying to complete it in the same day. That is the reason we are trying to start at 3:30 in the morning. It's 3:30. I think probably in half an hour or 1 hour we will start from Hyderabad, and hopefully we'll be there by sunset. So it's around 600 or 650 kilometers from here. So the time taken to drive on Google, it shows as yeah, on Google it shows 14 hours and 50 minutes. 14 hours and 15 minutes, yeah, to be precise. But including the breaks of 1 hour or 1.5 hour, it might take around 15 to 16 hours. So along with me, I'm going with my wife, and also my friend is joining me with his wife. So we are four people together, and he's getting his car right now. So he said that he'll be here by 3:30. It's 3:25 right now. Maybe he'll be here in 5 to 10 minutes. So once he comes, we'll just start from here, and we'll go ahead. So guys, stay with us, and let's go. Ciao, see you. All right, so I got a call from my friend. He's downstairs. I thought actually to call him up and then go, but क्यों यार, चलो चलते हैं. Let's directly go and get in the car and let's start, because it's already 4 right now. Oh, time पे आ गया है friend. तो yeah, without any delay, let's go. And I have to tell you something. Just look at my luggage for 5 days. मैं तो शॉक हो गया, इतना सारा सामान देखो. So the first one is a laptop. This laptop number 2 there, and a camera bag, and this bag is for my clothes. And then this is another bag for my GoPro. So ये है मेरा complete luggage, and ये है थोड़ा सा snacks that I have picked up. So yeah, that's pretty much it about the luggage. Hey, say hi.
Hello guys.
क्या अब तुझे बोलना पड़ेगा, क्या पूछना पड़ेगा?
No, nothing. I'm not saying anything. So
She is
let's
sleepy,
go.
I guess.
Yeah, I've done my shift for 9 hours, and after that, see, we are ready.
जब ट्रैवल की बात होती है तो जाना तो पड़ेगा. चलो, let's go. So you can see with so much of luggage, अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं, and she is just locking the door. Everybody is sleeping. So let's go. I have 2 laptops in my bag. All right, so आ गए हम लोग नीचे सोसाइटी के, and yeah, what a timing. See, I just came and my friend arrived. उसने कॉल किया and he said that he already came, but you see, he's coming now. ऐसे दोस्तों को कभी ट्रस्ट नहीं करना चाहिए. This is the tip. Make a note of it. I was just telling that we shouldn't trust friend like you.
Why?
Because you said you came and you did not come, right?
What?
You said you came and you did not come, so.
I'm here, no?
Alright guys, so we just started from our place. It's 4 o'clock in the morning. This is my friend Sima. You might have seen him in the other video as well.
Hello.
And she is his wife Sushma. Sushma, say hi.
Hi.
So guys, we are heading out. It's 4 o'clock. Yeah, everybody knows you do.
I'm also there.
You already told hi.
So what? I will again say hi.
So we are heading to Gokarna right now. We are planning to go non-stop, and Google Times shows 14 hours and 30 minutes. So let's see how long it will take. So it's 4 a.m. in the morning right now. Let's see what the time will be once we are there. So obviously the sunrise is not done yet, and it is too dark. I'll get back to you guys once there is a little bit of light. Alright, see you.
Over the edge, feel like like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless. Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling fearless. Exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance. Not the life I want to live, I want to take it all. Standing tall, fear outweighed the person you are. Oh, break out, I've got to see. Spend all
3 hours into the journey. We are at Karnataka and it's breakfast time. And we have got some roti and some aloo curry. So we are enjoying our breakfast right now.
Cheers, guys.
Chalo. So after the breakfast, we will again continue the journey. And, probably we covered around 250 kilometers is done. We are left with just somewhat just 500 or 400 kilometers, which we'll probably do by evening. So yeah, let's go.
over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it in a
Right, so we almost completed 300 kilometers. I had a wonderful sleep. I actually drive for an hour or two. I drive for 2 hours, I guess, and after that I took a good powerful nap, and as I woke up, now we are left with another 200 kilometers of road, and there is no dedicated highway to Gokarna. It is all pretty much like this road, like you can see the one behind me. Pura aisa road hai, so that's the reason it's taking a long time. Other than that, if it was a dedicated road, it would probably take a hour less than what it shows. So yeah, from here it's exactly 200 kilometers, which would probably come for I guess 3 hours or 2 hours. So let's go, and I'll show you some good locations are coming ahead. I think there will be a lot of windmills, because from here I can see. I don't know if the GoPro can capture that. So yeah, let's go.
fearless. fearless. Exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance. Not the life I want to live, I want to take it all. Standing tall, fear I've weighed the person you are. Oh, break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
Alright, so we are at the Ghat section right now. It's a stretch of around 80 kilometers that we have. So we are enjoying it a lot. The sunset is almost done. So we had captured a couple of great shots. And in the previous road, I did not find any good location. So I thought maybe I can capture it forward. And it's been wonderful locations that I have seen here. Except the snow, it almost looked like the Manali road for me. I really loved it. And yeah, there is a little bit of traffic, but it's not stopping. It's ongoing traffic. Like you can maintain a speed of 40 or 30, but it will not stop. It will just keep on going. So how are you feeling about the ride? Tell something to our subscribers and to the people who see this.
Okay, so hi guys. So I think it's a wonderful experience, driving in the complete Ghat road, about 80 kilometers that we are stretching. And we are unable to cross about 50-40. So I'm just maintaining 40-50, and still it's difficult to hold my steering. So I think, like, if anybody would like to visit this place, I would say be careful while you are driving.
Sorry to cut you short. Let me just show them the location as quick as possible,
Right, sure.
and we'll talk. Yeah, see this guy. See. So yeah, that's how the Ghat section here is. There are almost like 4 to 5 trucks in front of us, and they're going really slow. And yeah, understandable because of the road conditions, and because it's the accident prone zone, so we have to be careful. So that is the reason they're going in a very limited speed, which is a good sign actually. And also I've captured some cinematic shots. I'll try to keep them along with this one in front or behind this frame. So do watch that, and I hope you'll like it because they were awesome. And so we are going. It's another 1.5 hour of journey, an approximate 80 kilometers from here to the Gokarna beach, where our stay is. So the light might go down because the sunset is already done. So it might get dark within a span of 10 to 15 minutes. So yeah, I'll show you something, guys. Just look at this, guys. This is why the Ghat section is so dangerous. Right? See this.
exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step, still hanging in the balance. Not the life I want to live, I want to take it all. Standing tall, fear outweighed the person you are. Oh, break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
So guys, that would be it from the Gokarna ride. If there is anything interesting, I will add after this video, and just do check it out. And I hope you like this video, because I guess this is the non-stop ride that we have done, and first time that I and Sima has done a non-stop ride from Hyderabad to Gokarna, which is a span of around 650 kilometers. I hope you like this, and guys, please give this video a like, and also share this with your loved ones and friends, so that they can also, you know, enjoy the video. And in case if you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you click the subscribe button and also click the bell icon, so that you receive all the notifications of all the videos that I put on this channel. Alright guys, see you in the next video. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.